Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows multiple ureteric and renal stones. You can see the kidney shows moderate to severe hydronephrosis with mild to moderate hydroureter with multiple stones in the kidney as well as in the ureter. It is generally thought that only smaller stone may be impacted in the ureter, but in this case you can see multiple stones in the ureter. There is moderate to severe dilatation of the renal pelvical serous system with mild to moderate hydroureter. Once the stone gets caught in the ureter, it may partially or completely block the flow of urine. You can see the multiple stones in the kidney, right kidney. The blockage of flow of urine causes pain that is usually felt in the middle of the back or side and may radiate towards the groin. If a stone that is blocking urine flow is left untreated, it can cause damage to kidney or ureter. Now, the left untreated kidney stones may block the ureter or make them narrower. This causes the risk of infection, or urine may build up and put added strain on the kidneys. Approximately 60% of kidney stones that are 4 to 6 millimeter will pass on their own in about 45 days. Around 20% of kidney stones that are larger than 6 millimeter will pass on their own in about 12 months. However, when stones are this larger, it is best to seek immediate surgical removal. Now you can see the tracing of the right ureter. A ureteral obstruction is a blockage in one or both of the tubes ureters that carry urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. Now you can see the the ureter. This is right ureter and it is wrongly labeled, but you can see the stone in the ureter in the upper one third of the ureter in the proximal portion of the ureter. But if you stop scanning and do not trace the ureter further, you can miss some stones. As in this case, you can see there are multiple stones seen in the ureter. This is the right ureter. Now you can see the two stones, but further tracing of the ureter will show multiple stones. These are the stones in the ureter, right ureter. Ureteral obstruction can be curable, however, if it is not treated, symptoms can quickly move from mild pain, fever, and infection to severe loss of kidney functions and sepsis. Again, you can see the multiple stones in the right ureter. Large stones, especially those that fill the kidney, are stones that remain untreated after a long time can cause permanent damage to the kidney. This damage often occurs without any symptoms, that is why it is important to see a urologist if you have multiple stones. Now again you can see these are the multiple stones in the right kidney, and this is the right ureter, and you can see the stones. Now sexual intercourse may cause distal ureteric stones clearance. Having 3 to 4 times a week sexual intercourse is associated with a significant greater stone passage rate than tamsulosin or standard medical therapy. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.